Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Peng.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today I want to teach a word that's pretty unique in the Chinese culture. 我相信这个客家话也会这样子讲哦。It's the word soak, 泡。要泡啊？
不是叫你
跑路了。
不是，你说泡，我说跑，
就是跑哦。客家话就是讲跑，
就是海陆腔啦。那四线是泡。
Okay, so 不管是跑、it all means soak. All right. The reason I want to teach this is because in everyday cooking, we actually use the word soak a lot. For instance, instant noodles is actually called soak noodles. 这个泡面。就泡面 There you go, that's instant noodles. 我想吃泡面 I want to have some instant noodles.
我想吃泡面
Another phrase that uses the word soak is when you cook coffee or tea. Or me. Again, it means soaking tea or soaking coffee, but what actually it is brewing tea and brewing coffee. Okay? 泡茶 That's brewing tea. So let's say, Alice, 帮我泡一杯茶好吗？就是 Alice, can you brew me some tea?
泡一杯茶本我好吗？
泡一杯茶本我好吗？ All right?
Okay, 来，给你。
Oh, thank you so much. 他把他自己的茶给我，也好，我喝一口。That was good. Okay, 好了，除了泡茶之外，有小朋友的话可能会泡牛奶，对不对？
对。
泡牛奶 How do you say that?
泡牛奶。
泡牛奶 Again, that's making some, milk from powdered milk, all right? 所以如果宝宝肚子饿了，赶快去泡牛奶，会听到这句话，对不对？The baby is hungry. Go make some milk.
肚子摇诶。
肚子摇诶。这是
娃娃 baby
哇 baby 啊okay that's baby 肚子摇诶 that means hungry go make some milk
夹去泡牛奶
go make some milk and let's review these terms 泡面 that's instant noodle
泡面
then there's brewing tea 泡茶 and then there's making milk 泡牛奶It's all derived from the word 泡 which means soak 泡 There you go. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.